Hi guys, this is my entire jigsaw puzzle collection, guys. It's pretty nice. Yep, let's start over here, guys. First of all, these are your large piece puzzles from Buffalo Games. Yep, each are a large piece and the third count piece. Each a third piece count. Yep, very nice. Yep. These ones are from their Vivid collection, guys. Pretty nice. Yep. This one from Seiko, how I pronounce it. Masterpieces. There's one that Mom bought me used. One thing I don't really do too often is buy puzzles that are used, but brand new. This set pile, guys. This one and this one are bought used at thrift store, guys. Their store, you know what I mean? Yeah. But the rest of them were bought brand new. There's one I got last time on Christmas time because I didn't have a Christmas themed puzzle. But now I do. I might get this one out later, sometime today or soon later. Get out and do it before Christmas. These are like about sometime last year in October for Kmart. We have a Kmart in our town. We used to have one before it closed down. I got these two puzzles that October. Yep, I got this one also, guys, too. Pretty nice. It's a, how do you pronounce that word? I do not know how, but it's a nice little 2D puzzle. Pretty nice. This one, we can even get off the shelf, is a photo puzzle my twin sister Mandy got me. Pretty cool. Yep. These each are 1,000 piece to a 750 piece puzzle, basically. Yep. 1,000 piece, guys, with small pieces, not so easy to do, guys. Yep. Well, hope you guys have a good day. Bye.